The history of the 1995 Turkey 25 bin Lira coin. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating history of the 1995 Turkish 25 bin Lira coin, a piece of currency that reflects an important period in Turkey's economic and cultural history. The 25 bin Lira coin was issued by the Republic of Turkey in 1995, during a time when the country was experiencing significant inflation. Because of this inflation, the Turkish lira had lost much of its purchasing power, leading the government and the central bank to issue coins and banknotes with increasingly large denominations. The 25 bin Lira coin is a perfect example of this era. The coin was minted by the Turkish state mint and entered circulation as part of the country's everyday currency system. Although the denomination sounds extremely high compared to many world currencies, 25,000 Turkish lira in the 1990s represented a modest amount of money due to the inflation affecting the economy. On the obverse side of the coin, we find the portrait of Turkey's founder, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. Atatürk is one of the most respected figures in Turkish history. His image appears on nearly all modern Turkish coins and banknotes as a symbol of national unity, modernization, and independence. Surrounding the portrait are inscriptions identifying the Republic of Turkey. The reverse side features the denomination, 25 bin Lira, along with decorative elements and the year of issue. The design is simple yet elegant, focusing on functionality while maintaining a distinct national identity. Like many circulating coins, it was created to be durable and easy to recognize. The coin was struck from a copper-nickel alloy, a popular material used in coin production around the world. Copper-nickel coins are resistant to corrosion and wear, making them suitable for daily use. The coin has a round shape and a reeded edge, helping people identify it by touch and making counterfeiting more difficult. The 1990s were challenging years for the Turkish economy. Inflation rates often reached very high levels, causing prices to rise rapidly. As a result, larger denominations became necessary. Coins such as the 25 bin Lira were introduced to facilitate everyday transactions. Citizens used these coins for transportation, shopping, and other daily expenses. Despite its widespread use, the 25 bin Lira coin would eventually become part of a larger monetary reform. In 2005, Turkey introduced the new Turkish lira, removing 6 zeros from the old currency. This reform simplified financial transactions and helped restore confidence in the national currency. Under the new system, one new Turkish lira was equal to 1 million old Turkish lira. Because of this reform, coins like the 1995 25 bin Lira gradually disappeared from circulation. Many were exchanged for the new currency, while others were kept as souvenirs or added to coin collections. Today, these coins serve as reminders of a unique chapter in Turkey's economic history. For collectors, the 1995 25 bin Lira coin is an interesting and affordable piece. While it is not particularly rare, its historical significance makes it attractive to those who collect world coins or specialize in Turkish numismatics. The coin tells the story of inflation, economic reform, and the resilience of a nation adapting to changing circumstances. Collectors often seek coins in excellent condition, with clear details and minimal wear. Uncirculated examples can be more desirable and may carry a higher value than heavily circulated pieces. However, most examples remain relatively inexpensive, making them accessible to new collectors. The coin also provides insight into Turkey's modernization efforts. The continued presence of Atatürk's portrait demonstrates the lasting influence of his vision for a modern and secular republic. Even during periods of economic difficulty, national symbols remained an important part of Turkish currency design. Today, when collectors look at the 1995 Turkey 25 bin Lira coin, they see more than just a denomination. They see a historical artifact that represents economic challenges, monetary reform, and national identity. It is a small coin with a big story behind it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the 1995 Turkey 25 bin Lira coin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating coin histories from around the world. See you in the next video.